How to add or link your phone number on BingX. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your phone number to your BingX account so you can enable SMS to FA or P2P trading. First of all, open the BingX application on your device and log in. Once you're signed into your account, from the home page, go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, click on Security Center. Under Security Center, tap on Phone Verification, and on the next page, enter your phone number in the text box and click on Link. Once you see this pop up, you'll then need to go ahead and verify your phone number and then your email. Click the Get Code button right under SMS code and right next to email code and complete this small puzzle for security verification. Now, you'll receive a 6-digit code sent to you via SMS on your provided phone number. Simply type it down as soon as you receive it. After typing it down, head over to the next field and enter the email code that you received via email inbox. Soon after you do that, click on OK and you'll be able to link your phone number on BingX. So that is how it's super easily done. After linking a phone number, it can be used for security and P2P trading. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.